Hello everyone, this is LeetCode problem number 709, to lowercase. Given the string s, return the string after replacing every uppercase letter with the same lowercase letter. Given hello with the capital H, return hello with all the lowercase letters. Given here, all the letters are lowercase, no need to change anything, return the original string. Given lovely with all the letters capitalized, return lovely with all the lowercase letters. Python has a built-in function lower for string. Return the string where all the characters are lowercase. Symbols and numbers are ignored. Let's try the other ways to solve this problem. The first approach I can think of is going through the given string letter by letter. If the letter is capitalized, then change it to the corresponding lowercase letter. How do we know if it's a capital letter? We can create a dictionary with the capital letters as key and the corresponding lower letters as a value. If the current character is in the dictionary, then change it to its value. String is immutable, so create a list to store the answer. Of course, we can use list comprehension to shorten the code. The second approach I can think of is by using ASCII. From this table, we can see that the ASCII range of uppercase is from 65 to 90. Range of lowercase is from 79 to 122. Each difference between the capital letter to its corresponding lowercase letter is 32. Python has two built-in functions, character and ord. The character function takes an integer and converts it to a string. The ord function takes a string, returns an integer representing the Unicode character. Let's say we have capital F. Need to change it to a lowercase f. Firstly, use ord function to get capital F's ASCII value. Then add 32. Then use character function to change it into lowercase f. Also go through the given string letter by letter. If this letter's ASCII value is between 65 to 90, then this letter is a capital letter. Change it to the lowercase letter and save it to the result. Else just save the original character to the result. Also, by using list comprehension, this code can be written in one line. Thank you for watching.